Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can create a shirt in Roblox Mobile. So first to tell you is that by using the actual Roblox game app on mobile, you won't be able to make a shirt here. So you can't see that there's no avatar here. If you go to avatar, there's no option to create anything here, right? We need to use an external app and we need to do something a little more creative. So first off, you need to get a PNG or a drawing of your shirt, right? The one you want. You can make this on your own on Epis Paint or any other painting app, or you can find an app called Roblox Make a Shirt or something like that. So something like this, right? So create skins like this. You can install this if you'd like, and you can make your own app, but you'll need it'll give you a PNG like this, right? And once you have that PNG, if I install here, for example, and I'll make a shirt real quick, give me a second. There you go. It's installed. Let's open and let's make a shirt real quick. Give it a second to load. I'll just speed this video process up while I make the shirt. There you go. Now I have my shirt pattern saved here as a PNG, right? Now that is all that is left to do is go to a web browser. Let's go to Chrome here, for example. And you want to go to a page called Create Roblox. So like this, create.roblox.com. And on here, you want to go on the part here, go to creations, go to avatar items, go to classics, upload asset, and then upload the one that we just got earlier, right? Upload it like that. Click on upload. Give it a second. But basically, we have basically uploaded a t-shirt right here on Roblox. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.